Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to connect other Bluetooth devices on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. In this tutorial, I will be using two different devices. So in your iPhone X, go to Settings. In the settings, choose the Bluetooth. All you have to do is just turn it on to become enable. And also the other devices, all you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth device to enable. And now the Bluetooth and iPhone X were now unable to discover devices. So this is the devices that I want to be connected. So just press it. And a pop-up will appear, then choose the pair. Click this. And in the other devices, a pop-up will also appear, then click again the pair to be connected. And that's it. We have now successfully connected our Bluetooth devices on iPhone X. And if you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.